Hello everyone. So gyms are finally opened in most of the places of India. Closure of gyms due to COVID-19 has been very harsh on a lot of exercise freaks, gym owners and gym trainers. I have myself gained about 3 to 4 kgs during this lockdown. Now that finally gyms are open, there are different people with different opinions as to how safe it is to enter gyms when India is registering more than 50,000 cases of COVID every day. So let's try to analyze both sides of this argument and do watch this video till the end. I'll try to give reasonable explanation from both sides and discuss points as to how we can reduce the chances of infection and maintain safety at the gym. There are definitely a lot of people who would argue that gym is right now the most unsafe place with very high risk of transmission of COVID. Well, I don't say they are wrong. There is definitely risk of transmission in the gym if there is an infected person doing his workout. The risk is true, especially considering the fact that we often wipe our face with towel or touch our face because of the excessive sweating that happens in the gym. The towel may come in contact with various surfaces having virus, or we ourselves may touch different surfaces having viral droplets, and this especially happens if there is sharing of equipments in the form of alternating sets. And the risk of transmission also increases if a person takes support for lifting weight from another person. It could be a fellow person or a trainer. While on the other side, there are multiple beneficial factors about physical workout in a gym. Regular physical exercise is found to boost one's immune system. The only factor which is known to have some beneficial effects against COVID. These are few of the changes which are found to happen in our body with regular physical exercise. It is proven that moderate to high intensity physical exercise of about 60 minutes every day brings about increase in all these cells and their activities, which play a very important role in our immune system, as discussed in one of our previous videos about immunity. Over time, these transient exercise-induced increases in the lymphocyte subsets enhance the immune surveillance, bring down the inflammation, and are of particular clinical value, especially in obese and diseased individuals. I'm providing the link in the description below to the entire article published in one of the reputed journals. In addition to obviously improving the physical health of the individual, exercise has a great role in improving the mental health of the individuals because of release of various hormones like endorphins. The biggest argument against risks involved in going to gym is that there is risk of viral contraction practically everywhere around us. It may be a workplace, grocery store, market, you name a place, there is risk of transmission. Even if you don't go anywhere else and just sit at home, there is still risk of you getting the infection, as the infection can come through the essential goods like milk or groceries. So what's wrong in going to gym, which anyway has so many beneficial effects? If these things are okay,
आप चिंता मत करो. हेलो
तैयारी चाहे जितनी हो चूक तो
then definitely this also is okay. An important factor determining safety in gym is the measures taken in gym itself. I must consider myself very fortunate for all the safety measures that are taken in our gym, that is Zuis Fitness Club Bangalore. So this is a small clip briefing the safety measures that are taken in our gym. So definitely, as much as possible, safety measures need to be taken in the gym, like adjusting the gym timings in such a way that there is no overcrowding, avoiding group workout or taking help from others in lifting weight, avoiding placing of towels recklessly, carrying your own water bottle or yoga mat, avoiding going to gym if you have symptoms of flu. Every member of the gym should be responsible to clean the equipment at least at the point of contact before and after the workout. Well, wearing the mask during workout has its own pros and cons. Like, it may provide a little bit of additional benefit in terms of risk of transmission of the disease, but it also has a downside, as wearing the mask and hence having partial obstruction to breathing may be detrimental, especially during heavy workout, and may cause what's called as negative pressure pulmonary edema. Here there can be acute respiratory failure due to intense breathing efforts against an obstructed airway. Obviously, this has never been described before for mask, as this is a new and unique situation that we are facing now. Other important measures to be taken include taking a shower as soon as reaching home before coming in contact with any other surface, putting all the gym wear and towel for a separate wash, etc. Even though none of these things can ensure 100% safety from an invisible virus, it's very important to note that no place around us, not just gym, can promise us of that. Another aspect of argument is to work out at home instead of hitting the gym, and thus get all the beneficial effects of physical exercise. Well, a simple answer to it is gym is not just a place, it's a feeling that cannot be described in words. Needless to say, the ambience in gym definitely boosts one's motivation for workout. With workout at home, distractions are plenty, like the house members or the food or the luxury sofa or bed eternally asking us to end our workout and lie down. And of course, the lack of equipment to cover all the muscle groups, and also the lack of trainer who could correct our mistakes. Another plus point of going to gym is that whenever someone is regular to gym, he or she tends to be more cautious about the nutrition and maintains a healthy diet, which, in addition to improving the overall health, also boosts one's immunity. So these were my views with scientific basis. I'm sure many of you may have a different opinion. Do let me know your opinion along with the reason for it in the comment section below. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.